Hello good people, I want to show you today another section of this website, StrategyConverter.com, and what I'm showing you today is the EA Generator. You know how you can simply describe your EA, you can describe your trading strategy to AI, and the AI will bring a very fantastic EA for you. Okay, this EA Generator page, you have it, AI Expert Advisor Generator. Okay, create professional expert advisors with simple text input and advanced wizard builder. Okay, very interesting tool. Okay, so you have three buttons here: the simple mode, the EA builder, the fixed error. Okay, this is all you need to create fantastic profitable EA. So what you do for this simple mode is just simply type your prompts. Okay, you can make use of probably if you know what you want, you can just go ahead and type what you want. We have samples here. Okay, it can be from simple to complex. We have example trading rules here: buy when, okay, you have buy when price breaks, and so on and so. Okay, so you can use that. If you choose use this as sample, okay, that's what you have here. Buy when RSI 14 draws below 30, then rises back to 35. Sell when RSI 14 rises above 70, then falls below 75, raise 2% per trade. Okay, so you can describe your strategy, or you can even use Ask ChatGPT to create a robust trading strategy for you. Then you just copy and paste here. So when you do that, you select whether it is MT4 or MT5. Okay, select, then in this case you just generate expert advisor. Okay, when you click generate, it will bring your tool, but I won't be wasting time doing that here because that's quite simple. But I want to spend a little time with this EA builder. Okay, this EA builder is advanced wizard builder. Okay, you don't need to rack your brain, you don't need to begin to think of what to do. If you just know the indicators you want to use, just come here. Price action, is it candlestick pattern, pin bar, engulfing patterns, whichever, choose whichever ones, whichever combinations you want to use. Okay, in case you have a particular candlestick pattern, okay, or you want engulfing pattern, then it's going to be in the area of supply and demand, engulfing pattern in supply and demand zones. Okay, then you can choose that. You move down a little. Okay, probably you want to add one or two other technical indicators for more confirmation. What do? Okay, you want to use Fibonacci level or super 10 strategy or whatever, or Bollinger Band. Okay, but I'll just choose EMA cross. Okay, so what will happen is that when there is engulfing pattern in the supply and demand zone, then EMA cross. Okay, that's what you're telling it. Then market structure. What market structure do you want to use? Okay, London breaker box, volume spike. Okay, you might skip that if you don't quite understand that. Then the next one will be the management trade management parameter. Okay, of course you want stop loss, take profit. That's very good. You want a trailing stop in your EA. You might want break even. Okay, then probably daily loss and daily profit. Okay, then filters. Okay, it's beautiful to have the news filter. Okay, you can choose news filter or whatever, or weekend exit, mass open trade, and so on and so forth. Choose the filters that you want. Then exit strategy. How do you close your trade? Is it exit on opposite signal or reverse on stop loss? Okay, what do you want to use? I will just take exit on opposite signal, then I'll go next. This is very fantastic tool. Okay, so when you go next, you have your risk level. Risk level will determine amount of position sizing and things like that. Okay, so let's just stay with low risk, especially if your capital is small, so you want to use low risk. Okay, so you click next, then you can now decide your what is it called, your currency pairs: EU, GBP, USD, USD, Euro, JPY. As many currency pairs as possible. Okay, trailing frequency, is this coming? Is this capping? Sorry, not scamming. Is this capping? Is this swing? Is it position? Okay. So you can choose swing or just capping. Then what's your strategy goal? Okay. High win rate balanced, high risk reward ratio, and things like that. Okay. Just stay with balanced. Okay. Then what features? Enable alerts, send notifications on trade events, grid martingale logic, martingale. You want to add martingale on charts. You want arrows to be on charts, entry and exit arrow to be on charts. Okay, so you are through with selecting the configuration. Okay, so you want to preview your prompts. You can actually preview the prompts. Okay, so for that, this is a prompt. This is a prompt that you have. Trading strategies, engulfing pattern, blah blah blah. Okay, include following, so on and so forth. Additional features. So core requirements, strategy integration. This EA should intelligently combine selected strategies by using confirmation between multiple indicators where applicable, implementing proper entry exit logic, so on and so forth. So that's just a prompt. You might choose to check the prompt, or even if you want to add something, you can go ahead and add. Okay, you might choose to check the prompts, or just go ahead and generate EA. So you can just click generate EA here. Okay, and wait for it to generate. Okay, this is a very fantastic tool. I believe it's a breakthrough in the trading industry, the forex trading industry. Okay, so you have Expert Advisor successfully generated. Okay, so where is it? This is it here. Okay, this is your EA code. Okay, so you are either copy code or download. Okay, so we're going to download and compile. But let me say something. The moment you download, okay, sorry, that's not what I want to click. I want to download. Okay, okay, so this will actually download actually. So I'll wait for you to download. If you compile and you have any errors, okay, you have fixed errors here. Here you can fix compilation errors. So what will happen is that the code, you put it here, ensure that the code format is correct. You put the code here, and you put the compilation error here. I will demonstrate it in a moment. Okay, however, let's check the code. Okay, that's how I generated EA2. Okay, that's the code here. So what happens is that just to compile, you just press F7, wait for it. So there is one error. Okay, so what happens is that you select the error, just select the error there, select everything you see there, copy it. Okay, you come back to here, fix error, then okay, this is where you paste the error, this is where you place the error message, then you go copy copy the code itself, then place it here. Then I'll ask you to fix error. Okay, so you have compilation error fixed successfully. Okay, so you copy code, you come to your meta editor. Okay, delete what is there, paste, then hit F7 to compile. Perfect, no errors, nothing. Okay, so this is your, okay, so you can simply okay, this one is compiled now. Okay, so you have this in your MetaTrader. This is your perfect EA. Okay, this is perfect.